Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Seabrook, and I'm on board the 2020 380 Realm by Boston Whaler. This boat is incredible. It's powered by quad 300 Mercuries with the joystick drive system. This boat is great for all your offshore fishing needs, dinner cruising, overnighting, entertaining. Unbelievable boat. Let's show you a few of the features it has. We've got a dive door on the side. We certainly have the conventional boarding system on the back of the boat. This one has another ladder that folds right into the doorway here. We even have an additional grab handle. Fish boxes on either side in the back. A huge bench seat, but check this out. It easily stores away so you can have a nice bolster for fishing. This is one of my favorite features. This boat has a generator and air conditioning, but the generator also powers up this refrigerated box here. And you have multiple ways to use it. You can get to it this way, or you can actually drop her down. If somebody happens to be sitting on this nice deluxe seat, you can reach right in there and get your drinks that way. We've got a footrest that folds down out of the way. Got a nice table that goes in here. Makes a really nice entertaining section. Check this out. Electric grill, wet bar, freshwater system, nice refrigerator underneath, drawer style. We've got another refrigerator down in the cabin. This seat faces aft, as you can see, but check this out. It also faces forward. We've got another footrest, another place for another table, air conditioning vents for your guests, a really great sure shade, electrically activated. We've got a manually activated bow shade on the boat as well. Moving forward, you'll see the deluxe helm. We already have triple Raymarine screens on here. This boat has all the electronics, everything you'd want ready to go. One other great feature, we've got the Seakeeper on here. Seakeeper stabilizer. Incredible the way that boat settles down with the Seakeeper on. Great comfort for all your guests. Joystick drive. Easy access to it right over here. This boat also has a full enclosure, so no matter what the weather conditions are, you can enjoy being out on the water. It certainly extends your boating season. We've got a really nice deluxe door here that you can close off. We've got her open now so you can see the bow. Another part of the door system here. Check out the roomy bow on this boat. We've got an electrically activated table that can drop down and make a huge sunning area up here, the playpen area. Deluxe drink holders on the rod, on the armrests. You'll notice we have multiple outlets for your devices, for your music, and for charging. Anchor windlass in the front. Already have radar on the boat. Another little rope locker here that's a nice handy feature. Can double as an ice chest for the guest up in the front. Now, if you hadn't seen enough already, let's go check out the cabin down below. This boat has a nice sleeper that converts to another dinette if you want to be completely out of the weather or completely in the air conditioning. We've got a nice TV, easy access to all your electrical panels. There's the other refrigerator we were talking about earlier. Very comfortable boat, great for entertaining a lot of guests at one time. It's also a yacht certified boat. Plenty of cabinets. And check out the nice head compartment. Got a freshwater shower. This is actually air conditioned and heated as well. And this boat will do anything you could possibly want to do in any kind of sea conditions. Come check out this Whaler and many of the other options we have here at MarineMax in Seabrook. My name's Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.